Well, good afternoon. I'm Starla Batsko with Starla Seasonings and Mixes. The next thing we're going to do is the Cheesy Garlic Venison Burger Pasta. So I already cooked up our onion and our hamburger. And then I have about 1 cup of squash, and then the onion. And this one you can kind of adjust to if you like more onion, or you could add garlic to it. The ground venison, so we'll add that to that. And then you just kind of simmer this all together. And then I'm going to add a half a pack of the garlic seasoning again. So just sprinkle that over the top. Now, if you don't have venison, you could do this with ground beef, you could do it with pork, you could do it with ground turkey, so it does have a lot of different options with it. This is also a nice recipe for the mystery meat that you have at the bottom of your freezer that you somehow forgot to label and don't know what it is. Just grind it up and make it into a pasta casserole here. And this one my kids love, and they don't even know that there's something healthy in it. So you could do zucchini or you could do squash in that. So you're going to simmer that all together until everything's nice and browned and softened. And then you're going to add 1 jar of spaghetti sauce to it. This is so simple to make, and this you can also do in your crock pot. So once everything is all softened up in there, now we're going to add the ricotta cheese. This is 1 cup of ricotta. So add that in there. It's almost like a lazy man lasagna. So mix that in. So here's what we've got so far. So you've got everything kind of cooking and simmering together. And then the Parmesan cheese, about 1/4 of a cup, but I guess I like cheese, so I always add more. So I would do like a 1/2 cup. And buy like the real Parmesan cheese instead of the sawdust kind. So mix that in. And then good old mozzarella. I add like a cup into this. And then we'll sprinkle some more on top. So, and then at this point, after everything's kind of softened and simmered together, you can put it into your crock pot, or you could do it into like a shallow baking dish. And that's what I have here. So just spoon it in there. Just spread it out. You'd use a smaller one at home, like a 2-quart baking dish. And then sprinkle it with some more mozzarella cheese. And put the lid on it. And then you bake this for about 20 minutes and it would be all set to go. So that's your cheesy venison pasta bake. Oh, I forgot the noodles.
Yeah, put pasta in there.
I know, that's really sad. Okay, and 6 cups of pasta. That would be helpful. I know, Katie, right?
It's good like mommy does.
Yes. Oh, I want more of this. Yep. The main ingredient, which I forget. That's funny.
It looks good without it.
It is good without it. I've done it that way too. And then you can actually simmer that up and then serve it over the top of like fettuccine or something. Okay. So there it is now, mixed with the actual pasta in it. So thank you guys. I'm Starla with Starla Seasonings and Mixes, and this is the Cheesy Bacon Pasta Bake.
Become a wild game cooking master by watching our professional chefs show us how to prepare outstanding wild game meals, desserts, and side dishes. Thanks for watching the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game. This is Rich McNutt. Enjoy.